Today is our back to school splash here at the Sunrise Athletic Complex. And I want to thank all of our partners that are part of this day, providing resources like Baptist Health, Early Learning Coalition. We have all of the schools in Sunrise.
We're out here just giving out free school supplies. We have free food. We have bounce houses to give kids all the resources they need to be able to start off the school year fresh.
Everything that a student needs to be successful from day one. We got composition notebooks, we got pens, we got pencils, we got crayons, glue sticks, everything they need to have in their possession to be successful from day one in their school.
The economy we're living in right now, it's so important that we provide those resources that our families need, and I'm honored to be a part of it.
Education is paramount. It takes a village to make great young people. And if you give a great student, a great child education, that's something no one in their life can ever take away. Giving back to the community and making sure that our students in Sunrise are ready for education on day one.